best buffets in Las Vegas would definitely depend on what you're looking for in your buffet experience. Some places may excel in seafood, such as the Rio. Others are known for their French cuisine, like the Paris. The biggest ones are at the Rio and Planet Hollywood, and they offer the widest selections. The Bellagio and the Wynn are commonly known as the two nicest buffets, with the highest quality foods and highest prices. The MGM is now offering unlimited passes to buffets at some of their properties for an additional price, which means you can visit the buffet as many times as you want during a given day. Caesars Entertainment offers a 24-hour pass, which is good at 7 of their casinos, so you're not limited to just one buffet for your selection. If you're going to go purchase this pass, pick whichever meal you like best, and then buy the pass late into that mealtime on the first day. That way you can get a go at it the next day, and it won't have expired yet. And one truly decadent buffet is the Sunday Sterling Brunch at Bally's, which will run you $85 a piece. At over double the price of the next priciest place, it gives you an unlimited Perrier-Jouet, Mumm champagne with Maine lobsters, crab legs, caviar, and a variety of other decadent foods not normally abundant on a brunch menu.